Good morning everyone. Myself masud. I am studying in class 5. Today I am going to tell about the Teachers Day. Today is 8th September. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September since the year 1962. 5th September, that day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and the second President of independent India. He had many achievements, like he worked as a teacher in Calcutta University and Chennai Presidency College. He is known for his inspiration teaching style. It is his honor that India is celebrating 5th September as a Teachers Day. When he became president, some of his students asked for celebrate his birthday on 5th September. He replied, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated from the year 1962. This is impossible to think our life without teachers, because in every stage in our life need a person who will guide us, teach us and encourage us in our life. Thank you everyone.